Airbrushing is often taught as a list of settings and techniques. But when something unexpected happens, those lists don't always help you decide what to do next. Sometimes the paint behaves differently, sometimes the result just feels off. And in those moments, most artists pause because they're trying to figure out what just happened or what to do next. What often gets overlooked is that airbrushing isn't just a technical process. It's a process of awareness and decision making. Every pass you make is a choice. How close you are, how fast you move, how much you commit, or even hold back. And just as importantly, when you decide to stop. When we don't understand what the airbrush is responding to, it's easy to second guess ourselves. We start chasing fixes instead of reading the situation in front of us. And that's where frustration usually sets in. This channel is built around slowing that moment down. Not to memorize formulas or copy results, but to understand why something is happening and how to respond to it with intention. Sometimes that means making an adjustment. Sometimes it means doing less. And sometimes it means recognizing that nothing really needs to change at all. I focus on explaining cause and effect, showing decision points, and talking through the moments where things don't go exactly as planned, because that's where real learning happens. So if you're looking to improve your airbrush work by developing awareness, confidence, and the ability to make your own decisions as you paint, not just replicate what someone else did, then this channel is here to support that process.